challenge that the judicial services aspirant face nowadays is how to craft and write good answers for mains examination. The time pressure, the vast syllabus, and the exam fear. These are the factors which make answer writing a daunting task. But fear not. We have crafted a solution for you where you can turn this challenge into an opportunity. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to crack judicial services examination. I simply invite you for my 2-day learning program where I will walk you hand in hand towards understanding law, which will help you not only to qualify judicial services examination, but any other law exam. On the day 1, I will be covering how and when to start judicial services preparation, followed by the simple strategies to cover the vast syllabus. On the day 2, I will be covering answer writing templates, followed by how to tackle exam fear, the panic attacks, the mental anxiety by my inner circle call. To register, click on the link below. I'll see you in my session.